Hi, this is Gretchen. This video will cover some of the grant management features of OGMS, OWEB's grant management system. If you don't yet have a login, please watch our video, OGMS Overview. If you want to know how to find details about specific grants, please see our video using OGMS. Once you log into OGMS, you will be presented with a menu. From there, you can do a search to pull up a grant or a series of grants. You can also go to the Oregon Watershed Restoration Inventory, or OWRI, search to look for nearby projects or to map projects. We think where OGMS really shines is the grant management section. Here you can find activity for the last 30 days, project completion report, or PCR, time extensions, including grants eligible for a time extension amendment, review my requests, and projects with outstanding reports. Any one of these reports can be valuable in keeping your organization on track. Additionally, some of these reports can be rigged to show forward-looking days, so you can easily see which grants have a due date coming up for any of the key reports. First, let's check out the View Your Activity for the last 30 days. If you've been busy or maybe off for a few days, this will help you review what's been accomplished. At a glance, you can see whether a payment has been processed or a final report has been turned in. You don't have to go through each grant file this way. Project completion reporting is another feature that is available online, saving grantees from the horror of paper forms. Just type it all in here. For time extensions, we have two different links. The first is the link to the Time Extension Amendment instructions. So if you click this link, you will get a document download from which you can read the instructions. The second link shows you which of your grants is available for a time extension amendment. So you can click this, and then over on the right where it says New Request, you could click New Time Extension and then fill out the information to request your time extension amendment. The next link is Review My Requests. Here you can view the status of items you've submitted to OWEB. You may want to know why there's a delay by OWEB after you've submitted your reports in a timely manner. You can see whether each item has been approved by a manager and whether OWEB has requested anything else from you. Back on the main menu again, if you're trying to prioritize, you might want to use the Show Projects with Outstanding Reports feature. Here you can click the box that says Only Grants Where Your Name is the Grantee. And then here in the forward-looking days, you can enter 90, for example. You'll be able to see at a glance what reports are coming up. This can be used to keep track of future requirements. Thank you for watching our video.